Hi, I'm Marissa, and this is my channel, CreativeMe. In one of my past videos, I went to Ikea with all of you, and I wanted to show you today everything that I got. One of the more fun things that I got is this loom set. It was $19.99, and I'm excited to give it a try. I've always wanted to try using a loom, and maybe I'll make a video about it. The next thing that I got is this huge pegboard. Now this is the 30 by 22 inch one, and it was $16.99. I needed something to put more of my little items in, knickknacks, and I need to utilize my vertical space because I'm getting kind of tight in here. I got some drawers for it. It comes with 3 little plastic drawers, and this set was $8. I got 5 shelves that were $4 each, and then I got this little bungee set for $2. I got a pack of 5 hooks for $3. I've gotten these 2 sets of little clips. There are 2 packages of them. They were $2 each. And let's see, I have this little paper rack. So the paper rack was about $2. And then this other little rack that I can hang little things on was also $2. So I paid about $58 for the whole shelf system, which is, you know, a lot, but I wanted to make sure I got all the little bits and pieces for it just in case they stopped selling it. And I don't want to have to go back for one little thing. So making sure I had everything, I went ahead and paid the money for it. The other thing that I got is this cool little organizer set. I put a lot of my little items that I use for resin art that I'm starting to get into in here, and this was only $5. And then I needed a place to put all of my wrapping paper here. So I got 4 of these, and these were all $2.99 each. So at $2.99 each and 4 of them, I didn't pay a whole lot. Another thing that I got is this cute little vase. That was 99 cents. The little carnations were 99 cents a piece, and the little peony were $1.99 each. I really love this for Valentine's. It's very feminine. I'm gonna love finding a place for that. And then I got this plant here with the long hanging vines for $9.99. I thought that might look cute up high up here, hanging down somewhere. But anyway, those are all the things that I got at Ikea. Now let me show you how I put them together and use them in my space. I finished all 4, and I think they look fantastic. I got everything out of that bin and onto the wall, and now I don't have to worry about it being in my way anymore. It'll be behind the door when I leave the door open when I'm not filming, and it'll all be put away and out of my face. Anyway, let's go to the next project and put together that big pegboard. So there it is, all put together. I found lots of little things that I had to put on everything. The only thing I want to change is where I have my little wipes. I want to have some kind of cute little pouch that I can put them in so it doesn't look as El Natural something to make it look a little bit more creative. I put one of my extra shelves up here just to kind of break it up and tie in with the other side of the room. And all this stuff will be very convenient to me because this is my workspace right next to it, so things are right reachable where I need them. Now, I could not find a spot for those bungees like I thought I might, except for over here on my tall plastic shelves. I use them to hold, for now, just my yardstick, and I've been meaning to find other things to hook in on that side that I could utilize that for, so those give me a good start. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed everything that I found at Ikea and how I was able to put it together and make it work for me. Feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that bell down below so that you can be notified when I make new videos. Until next time, be creative.